Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advit. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about CVC and the phonic worksheet for the age group of 3 to 5 for the kindergarten kids. I have created in a very simple and fun manner. So let's get started. So in this sheet, what you have to do? You have to color all the vowels. So first tell me how many vowels we have.
We have 5 vowels.
What are they?
A, E, I, O, and U.
Come on, color all the vowels.
Right here, first line. Oh, I is a vowel. Let's color it.
In the next line.
Now the next line we have A, F, G, O, and E. A, O, and E are vowels.
Yeah. You have to do fast. Yeah, the next vowel.
We gotta color the next one. I'm gonna color E next.
And then next.
And then O.
Yeah.
No vowels here. What about here? U was a vowel.
Yeah.
Nice and tight.
The next.
A and E are vowels. And color E first and then A. I'm done.
Very good. So in this sheet, what you have to do? Blend the CVC and make the words with at family and an family. Okay? Come on. What is this?
C.
Then C make sound. At. Cat.
B. At.
Bat.
M. At. Mat.
Right, fast.
At. Cat. C. A. T. B. At. Bat. B. A. T.
Matt, you can write it later. First tell me about an family. Pa.
P. And. Han. And. Han. M. And. Man.
So write man only.
Okay.
These you can write it later, okay?
Okay. And
So this is the which sheet?
write the beginning sounds.
Beginning sound. So what's this?
A fan.
So tell me the beginning sound. Very good. What is this?
Sun.
What is the beginning sound?
S.
Very good. S. What is this?
B. A bat.
Bat starts with
B.
make sound.
B.
What is this?
Cat. One of my favorite animals.
Starts with
Cat. C.
C. What's this?
It's a tag.
Tag starts with
T.
make sound. Very good.
It's so cute. It's a fish.
Starts with
F.
make sound. Very good. So this is also a picture sheet with the missing vowel. So you have to tell me fast. These sheets you can write it later. Okay. What is this?
This is a house, also known as a hut.
Hut. So which vowel is missing? H.
U.
Very good. This is
Jam, also made of raspberry.
yes.
It's a strawberry jam.
J.
A.
M. What is this?
It's a bug, also known as a fly.
B. Which vowel is
U.
missing? U. Very good. What is this?
It's a log. Also found is woods and forest.
Yes. L.
O. G.
Very good. What is this?
It's all wet. Someone need to dry it up.
Yeah. So
U.
no, it's
V. W. E. T.
wet.
Wet.
Which number is this?
It's Ahmed's favorite number. 6.
S.
I. X.
I make sound.
A.
This is CVC word search game. So first word is dog. So can you find and match?
No. Fine. Found it.
Come on, join.
D. O. G.
Very good.
And
Next is
and
mix.
the cause of dog.
Okay.
Mix. Okay. Found it.
Come on, match.
M. I. X. Cross of mix.
Jug.
Found it. Let's join it. Let's ready. J. U. G.
Net.
Okay. Found it.
Want to eat?
N. E. T.
Very good.
Cross of net.
Next is rat.
Found it. Okay. Run.
This CVC word search is very good too.
Phonics and learn.
And words. That is for CVC scramble word. These are the pictures and here are the scramble word. Okay, so you have to tell me what is this?
It's a tub.
So
Also not bathtub.
So what is the spelling? Is this correct?
No, it's a butt.
So what is the correct one?
T. U. B.
Very good. What's this? It's a crayon of which color?
My favorite color, red.
So what is the correct one of
It's
red?
not RDE, it's red. RED.
Very good. Which number is this?
10.
It's not net. Okay, so what is the spelling of 10?
TEN.
Very good. What's this?
It's a spider's web.
Web. So what is the spelling? Correct one?
WEB.
Very good. So last one you can write. Okay, what is this?
This is one of my body parts. It's lips.
Lip. So what is the spelling?
LEIP.
Write it down.
I'm going to make a rectangle dot. And P.
Very good. But dot you have to put always a round one. Very
Did.
good. I hope you like this worksheet. These worksheets are really good for the CVC words and the letter beginning sound and vowel introduction. If you want to do this worksheet with your kids at home, I will provide link in description below. For more such learning videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn with Advit. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.